Hey everybody, this is Doree. I know I've been away for a while, but everything is in place, in order, the way that it should be for my book release. I've actually decided to move the book release to next year, early next year, to give myself some time to get the word out, to let you and all of your friends know about it. My book is called What's Wrong With Me. It is a girl's book of lessons learned, inspiration, and advice. And it will be released on none other than Valentine's Day 2012. So February 14th, 2012, roughly about 6 months from now. Pre-orders will be available on my website very soon, and I will be doing various different interviews. I'll be doing Blog Talk Radio. I've already started to be published in certain magazines, and I'll be advertising. I'll be doing all that stuff. It'll be the marketing blitz, the publicity blitz. So I'm going to be coming to you very shortly and giving you small pieces of summary. I guess I should say excerpts, small pieces of summary. Excerpts of the book. I'll be reading certain things. I'll be talking about different topics in the book. But the book is geared for teenage girls, roughly around the ages of 15 to 19. A little bit younger, a little bit older, okay, but the topics that I talked about will be pertaining to older teen girls. So if you know a teen girl, or you are one, then you're going to want to come back to this channel and hear what I have to say about the book and about certain concepts that I present in the book. Again, What's Wrong With Me, a girl's book of lessons learned, inspiration, and advice, coming to you soon.